Good afternoon and welcome to another Southernairs video. I'm Jett for McDowell at your service as always. I'm at my local Christchurch train station on a bridge overlooking the tracks, and I'm heading to London. For once, I've got an opportunity to go to London from my local town on the train. Normally I just go from Bournemouth interchange on the coach, as you've probably seen multiple times, but yeah. Taking the train today actually didn't cost too much. It was about £14 one way for this off-peak ticket booked weeks in advance. So I decided to change things up a bit, and I figured, you know what, I'm going to do a nice little train review for this channel. Something a little different, something I've not done it before. I'm not sure if Matt and Zuzu have done the train from Christchurch or Bournemouth up to London Waterloo, but I haven't, so this is a new one on me. Don't know what to expect exactly, but hey yo, let's go down and carry on the journey. Christchurch train station, as you can see behind me, there's nothing really to write home about. It's got two lines, one way going to London, one way going to Dorchester and Southampton. And there's not even a coffee shop or anything here. It's just a small ticket office open between 9 and 10, and that's about it. Still got a few more minutes for the train. A couple of things I'm just going to cover. The reason I've never taken the train to London in the first place from either Bournemouth or Christchurch or other surrounding stations is because normally I find that on the London Waterloo service that South Western offers, they charge a lot more, and I really don't think you get much better than you do on National Express, because on these trains, for example, even in first class, you don't get a service. There's no like tea or coffee and biscuits going around, anything like that, like you do on, say, LNER or Caledonian Sleeper and stuff like that, cross country. But personally, for the price difference, I just think National Express is a lot better. They're usually a lot cheaper. Obviously, I can get into central London just as easy. Okay, yeah, National Express is prone to the traffic jams on the motorways and going through the cities, but, you know, given the sort of reputation trains in London have, you know, trains in the UK in general have, not just London, yeah, there's a reason why I've never done this before. I think I spoke too soon. I've just noticed there's a delay, and, oh gosh, that is unacceptable, South Western, unacceptable. A whole 1 minute delay. National Express would never do that. Oh, here's my ride. Welcome aboard. We should be heading into London Waterloo in about an hour and 50 minutes, so hopefully we should have a pretty smooth sailing now through Hampshire and up to London. Are we about to head off now? We're moving. Adios. Onwards.
Ladies and Alex, I'm Nasty Milton, passengers for Milton, front 5 coaches only, thank you.
Another meal. Like I said, you can bring your own supply. If I just come down here, see this? There's a plug. So if you're using a laptop or computer, or you want to charge your phone or device, you're sorted. At least you're sorted if you're out the window seat. It's pretty box standard for South West Rail. So we're at New Milton, just pulling out. We've got about half a dozen stops on this route. The next one is Brockenhurst after we leave New Milton, which we're doing now. So we leave New Milton, we stop at Brockenhurst, then it's Southampton Central, Southampton Airport, Winchester, Basingstoke, Clapham Junction, and then London Waterloo. Pretty straightforward.
Western Railway service to London Waterloo.
Stop number 2, welcome to Brockenhurst. Right, we're just putting into the lovely city of Southampton, Britain's most underrated city in my opinion. Now, this is the important bit. I need to make sure I don't accidentally get off, because 99.9% of the time I've used South West trains, it's to get off at Southampton to either go into Southampton or change to go to Portsmouth or somewhere else. So I need to make sure I keep on this train, otherwise I'm going to have a bit of a problem. Right, we're parked here at Southampton Central, and there's a lot of people getting on. Not many people got off in this particular cabin. I'm on cabin 5 out of 10, so this train's about to get a little on the backside, to put it politely. Bournemouth and Southampton are like the two biggest southern stations on this entire route, from what I can remember. See who stays on through to London, who gets off some of the other places, eh?
This is the South Western Railway Service to London Waterloo, calling into Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo. Please on service arriving into Southampton Airport Parkway. This is now Southampton Airport Parkway. Thank you.
Coolest thing about Southampton Airport Parkway is you're 100 steps from the terminal from the station. Here's the station. And there's the terminal. Another stop, we're at Winchester. I think we've got 2 more stops before we get to London Waterloo. And that being Basingstoke and Clapham Junction. Most of I've actually been at Winchester Station. Normally I do stop at Winchester, it's on the NX from Southampton to London, and it's normally like a park and ride coach station in the middle of a forest, so this makes a nice change of scenery, I guess.
Please on service arriving into Basingstoke. Passengers travelling to Woking, please change here for the next London service. Passengers for Reading and Manchester, change here for platforms 4 and 5. This is now Basingstoke, thank you.
Casually travelling along. We left Basingstoke behind ages ago, and we should be at London Waterloo in approximately half hour's time. One more stop on the way, and that's Clapham Junction. Should be there in the next 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not exactly sure when, but we'll find out. So far it's been a pretty comfortable, cool journey. It's been quite good for the journey of an hour. I'm not sure I'd want to sit in a seat like this for like 6 hours on some of the Scotland trains, but
Service arriving into Clapham Junction. Please be aware only front 8 coaches have a platform here. If you're travelling to Gatwick Airport, change here for platform 13 for the next Gatwick Express. Thank you.
You know, I never thought it could happen with the girl from Clapham, and when all is said and done, I'm really up the junction. Okay, we're leaving Clapham Junction. Next stop, London Waterloo, should be about 10 minutes. And that's where this journey and travel vlog will terminate. Oh, here we are, made it, London Waterloo. I tell you what, £14, I think I'm prepared to eat my words. The train actually is not that bad compared to National Express. I would definitely consider doing this again, but only if the price is right. Because I do know that there have been complaints about Bournemouth-London trains being over £100
so arriving into London Waterloo. This is final stop of this service. Just over the platform. Service now arriving into its final stop station. This is now London Waterloo, where service now terminates. All change, please, all change here. Thank you.
I was saying about the seats and the legroom on this. This is what they look like. I didn't have a chance to film when I got on, but you can see blue fabric, really good, really firm, and a nice bit of leather seating up here. Just quickly check this out. How cool is this? Chance to look at the driver's cabin in this one. There's a walkway to first class. Very cool. There's the cabin I've just vacated. Well, like I said before I was interrupted, that's all she wrote. £14 well spent, I thought. Not too bad getting up to Christchurch. Only about 5 minutes late, but that is to be expected. I'm not going to weigh that against them too much. Right, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to sign off now. Safe travels, my friends. I've got a rock concert to go see. See you later.